Well, we just got back from another great camp out down at Bull Shoals White River State Park in Arkansas. What'd you think of it?
Well, we're the Midwest Coast Travelers, and that's someplace that's in the Midwest, and it's about a 3-hour trip from us. However, have you ever tried to find a camping spot during spring break? Well, we got lucky and found something on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday night at one of our favorite campgrounds ever. We love the White River Bull Shoals State Park.
It's a great place if you're a trout fisherman and love to fly fish. When the water's down, perfect for fly fishing. When the water's up, you almost need to have a boat. Down there at the state park, you can rent boats. Up at Gaston's, they have boat rentals there also. And you can rent guides to take you up and down the river to catch all of those trout.
But as you know, we also have electric bikes, so of course we took those. We travel a lot with my brother David and his wife Lori, and we have such a good time, and they also have electric bikes. And we rode those bikes up to Gaston's, we rode them around the mountain biking trails, we rode them up to the visitor center. We had a blast on the bikes.
So if you want a nice experience in the Midwest and haven't been to Northwest Arkansas, definitely put that on your bucket list of one of the top places that we love to go hiking and fishing and camping. Just a nice getaway.
It's a place that we've enjoyed for many, many years, and we will continue going to Bull Shoals White River State Park Campground in North Central Arkansas.
So grab your fishing poles, your kayaks, your john boats, your electric bikes, your mountain bikes, your hiking boots.
Hiking boots for sure.
Everything else. Come enjoy the ride with us. And then if you get hungry after all of this, we stopped off in Mountain Home at the Fork Restaurant.
Oh, it was cool.
It was a cool place, and they were just finishing up, getting their upstairs ready. It was almost like I said in the video, a speakeasy. They're doing old-time jazz music, old movies, everything. It's gonna be really cool when they get it done.
And if you're not into that, Mountain Home has a lot of different restaurants to offer. And if you have trouble with your RV, or if you have trouble with your bicycle or whatever, those repair shops are there too. You can get what you need.
And if you're there on Sunday morning, go up to Gaston's for their Sunday morning brunch.
Oh.
Doesn't get much better than that.
It is awesome. We have done that a few times too. Fantastic.
So sit back and enjoy the ride, and like to see you down there sometime.
We are at White River State Park Campground right below Bull Shoals Lake. First thing in the morning, beautiful day to be out and about. Got kids' playground, there's our RV, picnic area, pavilion, horseshoes, beautiful place. Perfect place to wake up to for that first cup of coffee in the morning. What a view, can't get any better than this.
So just outside of the Bull Shoals White River State Park is the little town of Lakeview, and there's a city park there, and at the end of it you can take the Lakeview Trail. So we're on the Lakeview Trail right now. It's just a 1 mile loop. It's a pretty easy trail. It's really pretty if you go through the woods area, and then you get to come right out on top of Bull Shoals Lake, and you can see Bull Shoals Dam from here. It's just a nice place to hike. It's a nice moderate one.
Need a break from hiking? Kick your shoes off and watch the boats. This is a Corps of Engineers lake. So it's a flood control. Water level might fluctuate 20 or 30 feet.
Hey, we just got through eating at the Fork and on the square in Mountain Home, Arkansas. And it was delicious, and they were so fun and friendly in there.
Check it out. They're getting ready to open up their, basically it's a speakeasy upstairs at their bar, and jazz music and old time movies. So if you're in Mountain Home, Arkansas,
check it out.
Bye. Well, we hope you enjoyed your tour of the Bull Shoals White River State Park. It's a great place to go camping. Beautiful level campsites. They have a marina, boat ramp, store. If you don't have an RV, they even have permanent RVs you can rent down there, tent sites, hiking trails, you name it. It's all right there in the state park and close to everything.
They have a beautiful pavilion, and then there's basketball courts and playgrounds, a lot of nice things. But a side note here, in that video, did you see the eagle flying with the fish in its mouth? We actually saw it swoop down into the water, grab that fish, and then fly away. Pretty cool. That was at the visitor center.
Yep, the visitor center is another place you got to make sure you go to. A lot of history about the area and the lake. Well worth the trip, and it's just a mile or so from the campground itself. So if you liked the video, click the like button, click the subscribe button, subscribe to our shows.
Midwest Coast Travelers.
Midwest Coast Travelers. We're trying to do as many as we can this year. We've got a lot of national parks we still have to hit. We're working on it.
We love adventure, so we're going to keep on going.
So if you like it, subscribe. Let us know you like the videos.
Comments are welcome.
Comments are welcome. Send us suggestions on where you'd like us to go next. We're always up for new adventures, so hope you enjoyed the video.
And enjoy the ride.
Enjoy the ride.